In this video, I'll show you how you can download League of Legends on your PC. Now first what you want to do is head over to Google right here, and what you want to do is search for LOL download. So let's just search LOL download, and from in here the first one should be from Riot Games, and it says signup.leagueoflegends.com. Now click on this one, and it's important that you make an account and remember to make it on the correct region. Now from up here, you're going to select your region. As I live in Denmark, I'm going to select EU West. If you're from America, you should select the NA and just let it load a little bit. Then what you're going to do is press download for Windows, and you will now download it up here. Now I'll show you what you're going to do with this one. So once this is done downloading, you're going to open it up, and it will open up a launcher. I'm going to click yes here, and as you can see, it will open up like this. Now what you want to do is you can press advanced options and select the folder you want to install it on, and then simply press install. After you press install, it will automatically download League of Legends, and then you don't have to do anything more. It's really that simple, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.